Universities are increasingly recognizing the importance of cultivating an entrepreneurial spirit among the students. Additionally, Indian government's initiatives like Startup India and Atmanirbhar Bharat also aims to create a conducive environment for startups and entrepreneurship. These initiatives offer various benefits, including tax exemptions, funding opportunities, and ease of doing business, which educational institutions can leverage to provide additional support and resources to student entrepreneurs. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. In a rapidly developing country like India, entrepreneurship is a vital driver for economic growth and innovation. According to a report by the Global Entrepreneurship Monitor India 2023-24, the entrepreneurial activity rate in India has been steadily increasing, with 15% of the adult population engaged in early stage entrepreneurial activities. This clearly indicates a growing interest in entrepreneurship among young people in India, which eventually brings us to the conclusion that universities play an extremely crucial role in shaping the entrepreneurial mindset of students, equipping them with the skills and knowledge that is necessary to thrive in a competitive market. Indian Institutes of Technology, that is IITs, known for their technological prowess, IITs have also emerged as strong hubs for entrepreneurship. IIT Bombay, Delhi, Kanpur, and Madras have particularly strong incubation centers and startup ecosystems. Indian Institutes of Management, that is IIMs, these premier management institutes offer specialized programs in entrepreneurship and have a strong track record of producing successful entrepreneurs. BITS Pilani. This institute has a strong emphasis on innovation and entrepreneurship with dedicated incubation center and mentorship programs. Educational institutions play a very important role in shaping the next generation of entrepreneurs. Collaboration between academia and industry is crucial for developing an entrepreneurial mindset among students. Universities need to encourage partnerships with industries to provide students with real world experience, internships, and opportunities to work on live projects. This exposure helps students understand market needs and challenges, making them better equipped to develop innovative solutions. It not only provides students with practical and hands on experience in real world settings, but also bridges the gap between academia, knowledge, and industry requirements. Let's look into today's headlines. Qualcomm announces new chip to democratize 5G smartphone access in India. Qualcomm has announced Snapdragon 4S Gen 2 system on chip, a significant leap forward with which it aims to bring 5G to 2.8 billion smartphone users across the globe. It is designed to enable gigabit 5G on smartphones under $99. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 4S Gen 2 will initially be offered by Xiaomi in a smartphone which is expected to be announced before the end of this year. Research points out Apple used Google's chip to train two AI models. Apple has relied on chips designed by Google and not Nvidia to build two key components of its artificial intelligence software infrastructure for its forthcoming suite of AI tools and features. The tech giant's decision to rely on Google's cloud infrastructure is notable because, given that Nvidia produces the most sought after AI processors, the iPhone maker said it used two of its Google's Tensor processing units, that is TPU, that are organized in large clusters of chips. SIDBI appoints Manoj Mittal as its new CMD. Manoj Mittal has assumed the role of Chairman and Managing Director of Small Industries Development Bank of India, that is SIDBI, effective immediately. Mittal brings a wealth of experience to SIDBI, having spent over 33 years in the financial sector. He previously served as Managing Director and CEO of the Industrial Finance Corporation of India and held the position of Deputy Managing Director at SIDBI. Paytm announces two-in-one payment device with NFC and QR technology. Paytm has introduced the NFC card Soundbox, a two-in-one device that merges mobile QR payments with NFC card technology. Built by 197 Communications, this latest device aims to be a one-stop solution for small merchants to conduct transactions. Customers will be able to tap their debit or credit cards or scan a QR code. Equipped with NFC technology, it enables merchants to process card payments with ease. Xiaomi announces Redmi Pad SE 4G and Redmi Pad Pro 5G in India. Xiaomi has launched two new tablets in India, the Redmi Pad SE 4G starting at Rs 10,999 and the Redmi Pad Pro 5G starting at Rs 24,999. Both the tablets boast of advanced features and competitive pricing. The Redmi Pad Pro 5G is a premium tablet powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset and offers 5G cellular connectivity. The Redmi Pad SC4G features an 8.7-inch HD Plus LCD screen and is available in 64GB and 128GB storage options. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.